Hey everybody, what's going on? Mrlegacybuilder here. And for those of you who have not been to the channel before, if this is your first time, make sure you subscribe so that you can see more videos dealing with business, real estate, and different types of multiple money streams that help you become the success you're trying to be. So anyway, as the title said, how I made 150% on a $62 investment with Robinhood is what this video is about. Now your time is valuable to me, so we're gonna jump right into it. But before I show you the video, let me just take a minute to let you know what an option trade is from my perspective. Now, as I always say on the channel, always CYA, cover your assets. So in this case, gather the knowledge so that you can understand what trading options is, because it is money and I can't give you advice on what to do and what not to do when it comes to your own money. So always CYA. But make sure you stay to the end as I give you the steps that I use to make this trade possible and how you can, with a little bit of knowledge as well, do the same thing. Now, option trading is when you take 100 shares, which is made up of one contract, and you buy it at a certain rate, saying that it's either going to go up or it's going to go down. And for the most part, it's binary. Either you're right or you're wrong, and you have until the certain window to execute on that trade, whether it's to exercise the trade or sell the trade. And that's just the legit. But I'm going to go ahead and get back with you guys with the steps at the end of the video. So make sure you watch this video in its entirety. See you over there. All right, everybody. So here is the example of the option trade. So if you look at the top of the screen, right where it says investing, you see it's $114.82. Now you see the arrow is currently pointing up and it's saying $36, which is 46%. That right there is an example of what I was talking about earlier in the video about the benefits of knowing how to trade options. So this particular contract, as I scrolled a little down, you see where it says option. That's JBLU. That's a actual trade that I did with the option trade. And I'm going to show you what that was prior to me taking it. So prior to me taking that trade, it was actually a little, let me go ahead and click on that. So I took it for a $62 investment. If you look under history, you'll see that I got one contract, which is 100 shares for 62 cents each share. Which is basically $62. And this was executed on the 5th. Limit price 62 cents per share, and you get 100 shares, which is one contract. This one contract has netted me 52% on my money. So total, I've made $43, $44 and counting on my one option trade. Now, I'm not going to get into the semantics of it. And I just made this video as a multiple stream, a money stream that I myself do from time to time when you know what you're looking for, as well as something for you guys to look into to show you guys how, with little money, from $50 maybe to about $200, or no less than $50, you can potentially do this yourself. There are options that you can trade at lower dollar amounts, but this was just a contract that I wanted you guys to see. So I'm gonna go ahead and exercise this contract. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and sell this contract while I'm talking to you guys, because I just wanted to basically sell it at a different rate. So now you see it's basically I'm selling this contract one share at $108 instead of at $62. So you sell it at one price, you buy it at one price, which is buying low and selling high. And once they sell it, then you made your money in the middle. So now I'm out of that trade. But if you was to, you could have held it. You see it's still going up. So you could have actually held the trade a little longer until you felt comfortable with selling it. So for the most part, the way it works, let me give you guys an example, is you see it actually shows you at the top your order to sell one contract was executed. You see this contract is actually going up more. So I could have made more money. You see it showing you 111, value $49. So if you brought it at $62 and you're at $49, you've made more than 50% of your money back. You've almost made your money back plus 100%. So you've almost doubled your money off that one trade. I just basically went out of the trade as a way to, number one, I don't watch it regularly, but I went out because I didn't really need it. And I usually go out quick, but I'm a little different than most people. You see at the history, it shows you that I brought it at $62 and turned around and sold it at $108. So I just wanted to show this live example to you guys on how trading options do work for you. And it's about knowing what you're looking for and knowing how to look for what you're looking for and getting the information from multiple sources. There's a lot of people out there. Brother Polite is actually somebody who I follow on IG. I'm going to put a link at the bottom. I'm not affiliated with him, but that's how I learned. That's one of the ways that I learned how to trade options. But I wanted to show you guys an example of trading options and how you can make 100% of your money back and 50% on top of that usually. So how you can make 150% on an investment. And I just wanted to show that to you guys because I feel sometimes we need proof to get up and do something. So this video is not going to tell you how to do anything. This video is going to tell you proof. Now, for you guys staying to the end, I'm going to tell you and show you what I meant by how I could have made more money. You go inside by clicking trade and you go to view all options. You'll see right here where it shows you the times by the months. Click on January 15th, for example. And the numbers on the right is what you'll pay. You see the share price and the break even is 15.10 on the left hand side. If you look all the way at the bottom where it say 14. So these times at the top, if you look back at the top, you'll see January 15th, February 19th, March 19th. Those are the time frames. And you, for the most part, you either execute your contract by exercising it or selling it before that deadline, or it automatically executes itself and sells the contract on its own on that deadline, whether it's in the money or not. So it just depends on you. And you'll understand more about intrinsic value and things of that nature from Brother Polite. And of course, like I said, there's other links and there's other people out there who do teach trading options, but this is just the guy who I personally learned from, and he goes into good depth about this down here. And options trading is just trading one contract made up of 100 shares of that one stock. You're basically saying that it's going to go up, and if it goes up, you make a certain amount of money. You make the spread of if it goes up. If it goes down and you say it go down, you make money. So it's, for the most part, a hit or miss. You got a time frame where if it doesn't make money immediately, but it makes money before that time frame, hence the time at the months at the top, you'll still make money. So that's, for the most part, that's how you trade options. And that's an example of how I made 150% on my one option trade of $62. All right, you guys, Check me out at the bottom. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if this video was something you liked and you want more videos about an in-depth example of what trading options is, just let me know and I'll go more in depth of what trading options are exactly and give more examples like this. Let me know if you guys are going to take action and add trading options as one of your multiple money streams in the comments, and make sure you subscribe for more videos dealing with business, real estate, and money streams. I appreciate you guys. Peace. Hey, so yeah, like you was watching on the video, I want to give you guys the steps that I took to make that happen. You can go on IG and you can look up Brother Polite if you want to check him out. He give great information. Again, like I said in the video, I'm not affiliated with him, but the whole point of this video is to help you guys get out there and find a stream. This is one of many streams I have, and I just wanted to give you guys some social proof that knowing this skill set is a way to help you in challenging times, so you can take back that concern that you might have on where am I going to get money if you're struggling to find a job, or if you temporarily lost your job, or you just needed an extra income. This type of skill set will help you with that. I do always say to always do your own paper trading before you jump into trading options, but definitely check him out. I'm also going to put a link to another gentleman as well. Both of the he's actually free 99. Does a long, nice 2-hour video that goes in depth with it. And then if you're still ready to execute and you want to go with Brother Polite and you just still feel you need some more hand holding, go with him. If you're more self-taught and you can do it on your own, check out the other link below and watch that video. And that gentleman, his name slips my mind right now, but that gentleman is definitely the way to go as well. Those are the two resources I used as well. But for staying to the end, let me know if you've done that before. What's your thoughts on trading options? Or if you want me to give you a comparison of trading options versus Forex and the pros and cons. Any one of those things, just let me know in the comments. If you like the information that you got, like the video, or know somebody that can use this information, make sure you share this video with them and also like this video. Real quick before we go, let me give you the tips. So number one is get the knowledge. The knowledge is in the description. Click one of those gentlemen and they'll definitely be able to help you. They both got different teaching styles. One of them is very detailed. It's a real nice, maybe 2-hour video. It's very detailed. Get you something to drink. Take notes. Very detailed. Free 99. Brother Polite goes into it, gives good analogies. It's a very detailed program that he gives you. It's very good information. It can help you as well. It's just about what type of teaching style you like. Me, myself, I don't per se teach that particular skill set, but it's mastered in me. So if you got any questions that you want me to answer, definitely click the link below and we can schedule a consult and talk about it if you got questions that you want me to answer. Anyway, step number one is always get the knowledge. So inquire the knowledge. We got that below. Step two is select a broker. The broker I was using is Robinhood. If you want to join Robinhood, you can click down below, join a broker. You can also join Webull. There's a couple of other ones out there, Ameritrade. But the way that I did it was from that broker, because both of them was talking about different brokers. But after doing my own due diligence, that was the broker that I wanted to do. Webull is also another good broker. You also have Ameritrade out there as well. But if you're trying to get things started with less than $200, I recommend Robinhood or Webull. Always CYA. Both links for those are in the description as well. Step three, pick the securities that you choose. Now, the securities are the actual stocks. So you'll look at the tick, like AT&T is T, or you can go the one that I was doing, which was JetBlue, JBLU, I believe, and you'll just find the one that you're suitable with, GoPro, things of that nature, and you'll pick the tick, you'll pick the security that you want to trade with, and then of course you want to work out a strategy. The strategy should come from yourself. So don't just watch what you see and then look for someone to actually give you a step-by-step. Those only work for the moment. You got to build your own strategy, understand what you're looking for so you can understand what specific, so you can understand what specific trades you're going to take, because you're trying to either sell at the top because you know it's going down, that's a put, or you want to buy at the bottom because you know it's going to take off. So you want to use the information and the steps that these people are showing, and then you want to create your strategy. I use charts because I trade Forex. I'm able to look at the charts like on, you can use TradingView, and you can use the chart on TradingView from there as well. I'll put that link in the bottom as well for you. But definitely make you a strategy. Don't just rely on those two educations to make your strategy. Develop your own strategy. That I'm real good with. So if you want any help with a strategy, click the link below. We can talk about that. Outside of the strategy, take the leap. People, the time is now. Every problem means that there's a solution and an opportunity. If you're stuck and you need money, this video might be the video that gives you that push. I specifically made this video so that you guys would know that you're capable and it's possible to make $100+ or more on a small amount of money. It just requires belief in yourself, strategy, and knowledge. But knowledge comes before the leap, and strategy is what you develop after doing. You have to listen to earn, and then you got to take that step. So make sure you paper trade once you check everything out. Make sure you follow those steps. Go do the video again if I'm missing anything and you feel I'm missing anything and you have any more questions, definitely put them in the comments and I answer them. Till next time, I appreciate you guys. This is Mr. Legacy Builder. Have a great day. Peace.